We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone with a black screen, but it's still working and it's still on. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you know the iPhone is still on because it's still making a sound, or there's another thing that's indicating that it's still on to you. Usually it's going to be sound. And you're wondering, how can you go and fix this? Because of course, it's not like it's run out of charge and you can go and charge it. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done. Make sure it's this full guide and don't go and skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go miss an important part of this video. So what we're going to be able to do here is we're going to try doing a forced restart. Because what can sometimes happen is it's just a glitch. Essentially, the screen's gone black, but the phone's still on. So we can go and do a restart and go and resolve this. And of course, you don't need to go and touch the screen. We're doing a button combination on the phone. So that's why it's important that you keep listening closely as we guide you through how this is done, because we need to go and press them in a certain order consecutively for this to go and work. So let's get started. So first of all, locate the volume buttons, which are on the left here. We're going to need to go and press the volume increase, then decrease, and we're going to tap and hold the side button. Now that all needs to be done quickly and consecutively, as I said. So let's do it now. We're going to do volume increase, decrease, and then tap and hold the side button. Now you go and keep this held down. Shortly, you're going to go and notice the Apple icon going to appear on the screen. You may just think that it's remaining black, but just keep waiting. And as you can see the Apple icon has appeared, and this indicates the iPhone is now starting again. So keep waiting, and shortly it's going to go and be on. I found that the newer iPhones are a bit quicker, the older ones can take a bit longer, but here we are. So it's now working, and we're going to be able to go and use the iPhone as usual. So that's it. Hopefully this has managed to go and resolve the problem for you.